In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay public holiday in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the correct pay item and record the hours so public holiday entitlements are paid accurately and show clearly on your payslips. First, open Xero and sign in to your organization. We'll be working in payroll, so head there from the main menu. Before you can pay a public holiday, you need an earning rate that tells Xero how to treat those hours. Create a new earning rate and give it a clear name, such as Public Holiday Day. A descriptive name helps you and your team pick the right line every time, and it keeps reporting neat and searchable. When you set up the earning rate, choose the correct type. If the public holiday is paid at the employee's standard base rate because they didn't work that day, select an ordinary earnings type. If your business or local rules require a higher rate for time actually worked on the public holiday, choose an overtime type or set an appropriate multiplier, so Xero calculates the penalty rate automatically. While you're here, confirm the tax and retirement or pension settings match how this pay should be treated in your region. It's a quick check that prevents surprises later. Now you're ready to enter the hours. Open your pay run as usual. Find the employee who is entitled to public holiday pay and add the hours to the new earning line you created. Use public holiday pay to cover the hours for a day off that they're entitled to be paid for. This keeps those hours separate from normal hours and shows clearly on the payslip. If the employee actually worked on the public holiday and should receive a penalty rate, use the public holiday worked line instead. Enter the hours they worked on that day, and make sure the earning rate you set up reflects the correct higher rate or multiplier. This ensures Xero calculates the uplift automatically and reports it correctly. As you add these hours, double-check the dates align with the pay period, confirm you haven't duplicated the same time as ordinary hours, and review the total so gross pay looks right. Clear descriptions help employees understand their payslips, so keep naming consistent across all pay runs. That's it. Go to Xero, create a dedicated public holiday earning rate, choose ordinary or overtime based on your rules, then enter the hours against either public holiday pay or public holiday worked for each employee. Always follow your local legislation and workplace agreements, and you'll have accurate, transparent public holiday payments every time.